Buenos dias, this is Clyde, your elite state agent. Do you know that there's a smart pre-selling condo inside Araneta City, Cubao? Laran Park is a 39-story smart home-ready condo by Mega World inside Araneta City, Cubao. Part of Manhattan Gardens Complex, it offers 752 units from studios to 3-bedroom lofts ranging from 29 square meter to 132.5 square meter. Laran Park offers smart home equipped units with modern conveniences. Amenities includes swimming pool, daycare, function hall, kids area, co-working spaces, sky lounges, and active adult play park. Laran Park is located at the corner of General Romulo and General Rojas Avenues in Manhattan Gardens, Araneta City, Cubao, Quezon City. Offers easy access to shopping, dining, entertainment, and transport. Turnover date is on August 31, 2028 plus 6 months grace period. Are you ready to make a move or you want to have an appointment? Contact me here or call me now. See you on my next video. Bye!